everyone, and welcome to another video of the Mr. Appleboy. Today I'm doing a review on my computer speakers. These are the Logitech z130 2.0 speakers. Actually not cheap at all, like 20 bucks. Really awesome sound. You've got a volume button. Once you fully put it down, they're off. You can hear it snap. Just open it and you can turn the volume to the max. Also a 3.5mm head jack for headphones. They are connected with power and with each other. Also a grip for putting them on your desk. I'm going to let you hear some sounds. Really great sound. Not cheap at all. Got myself a nice little sticker. Not heavy at all. Almost no wires. Just perfect for me. I do not need more. So this was my short review on the Logitech Z130 speakers. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like always, please like my videos, it really helps me. And of course, subscribe to my channel and to my new Twitter account. Thanks for watching this episode.